Thank you. Appreciate it. These are some of the companies that I do currently do business with, some of the national companies. And you can see for being a small company in Tucson, it's a pretty lucrative list. Okay, and this is a list of some of the national companies and the projects that we work on for those companies. And we do this on a consistent basis for a lot of these companies, which brings in a lot of revenue for our business. By the way, if I didn't mention this, we are a shop of only 5 employees, and so we are very diverse at what we do, and we're very efficient. Okay, and this is a project that we did for a national sign company out of San Diego for integrated signs. This is a conversion from the Bank of Tucson to Pacific Premier Bank. And you can see that that was a pretty interesting installation there. It was a 11-story building that you could not get to with any standard crane. 185 we had to actually hire a 185-foot crane and have them drop our guys from the crane. They had to go over the roof and drop them down to the letter sets. Yeah, that was one of my guys was not very happy about that. I got to tell you that right now. But
that's him right there.
Yeah, but there was, because of landscaping issues and access issues, you could not get to it. But anyway, that's what that is. Okay, last but not least, guys, and this is kind of my pet peeve, and I know this is very difficult to teach your salespeople and all that, and your coordinators. But you know, when you're dealing with national sign companies, do your best to try not to lie to them. You know, don't tell them something's up when it's not up. You know, because if you get busted doing something like that, then you're just it ends up being really bad. You don't want that kind of reputation, and they're never going to come back to you if you do. You know, just try not to do that. It never benefits anybody. So.